A tangled web where law, guns, and money collide. Lawyers, guns, and money. These three elements form the backbone of many of the most contentious and high-stakes issues in our society today. They are the threads that weave through the fabric of our legal system, our economy, and our very sense of security. A potent mix, a dangerous combination. When these forces come together, they create a volatile environment where the outcomes can be unpredictable and often devastating. The interplay between legal frameworks, the presence of firearms, and the influence of financial power can lead to situations that are as complex as they are consequential. These three elements intertwine in a complex dance, often with life-altering consequences. The gears of justice turn slowly, but when guns and money are involved, the stakes are raised, and the outcomes can be swift and severe. The handshake, a symbol of agreement, takes on a new meaning when a gun is in the background, highlighting the ever-present threat of violence. In a society grappling with gun violence and legal battles, understanding this intersection is crucial. Protests against gun violence are a common sight, reflecting the public's demand for change and accountability. Courtroom trials become arenas where these issues are debated and decided, often under the watchful eyes of the media and the public. From high-profile court cases to everyday disputes, the presence of firearms adds a layer of complexity and gravity. In high-profile trials, the stakes are not just for the individuals involved, but for society as a whole. The evidence room, filled with firearms, is a stark reminder of the prevalence of guns in our communities and the potential for violence that they bring. Lawyers become key players, navigating the legal system, advocating for their clients, and shaping the narrative around these sensitive issues. They are the ones who must interpret the law, present evidence, and argue their case, often under intense scrutiny. Their role is not just to win cases, but to ensure that justice is served, a task that is made all the more challenging when guns and money are involved. Money, the lifeblood of any legal battle, fuels the fight. It determines who can afford the best legal representation, who can hire expert witnesses, and who can sustain a prolonged legal battle. The stacks of cash and the opulent law firm offices are a testament to the financial power that can influence the outcome of a case. It determines access to top legal representation, expert witnesses, and resources that can sway the outcome of a case. The expert witness, with their specialized knowledge, can be a game changer in a trial. The signing of legal contracts and the presence of a jury underscore the formal and often rigid nature of the legal process, where every detail can make a difference. The financial implications of gun-related lawsuits can be staggering, impacting individuals, families, and even entire industries. A distressed family facing the financial burden of a lawsuit is a common sight. The dropping financial graphs highlight the economic impact, while the exterior of a gun shop serves as a reminder of the source of many of these legal battles. This is a world where the stakes are high, emotions run deep, and the consequences are far-reaching. The judge's face, often a picture of solemnity, reflects the gravity of the decisions being made. Emotional courtroom scenes and heated arguments in courthouses are a testament to the intense emotions and high stakes involved. It's a world where the pursuit of justice intersects with the power of the gun and the influence of money. The dramatic courtroom scenes, the image of a person holding a gun with money on the table, and the scales of justice balancing money and a gun all serve to illustrate the complex and often contentious nature of these issues. In this world, every decision, every action, and every outcome can have profound and lasting effects. Shots fired in court, the George Zimmerman case. The death of Trayvon Martin sent shockwaves across America. A young, unarmed black teenager shot dead by a neighborhood watch volunteer, George Zimmerman. The case became a flashpoint in the national debate on race, gun control, and self-defense laws. Zimmerman claimed self-defense, arguing that he shot Martin in fear for his life. Prosecutors argued that Zimmerman profiled and murdered Martin. The trial captivated the nation, with lawyers on both sides presenting their cases, examining evidence, and cross-examining witnesses. The jury ultimately acquitted Zimmerman, sparking outrage and protests across the country. The case highlighted the complexities of self-defense laws, particularly in stand-your-ground states, and the challenges of proving guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. The Zimmerman case serves as a stark reminder of the power of the legal system to both uphold and challenge societal norms. It also underscores the emotional toll and societal divisions that often accompany high-profile gun-related cases. Lawyers at the ready navigating the legal battlefield. In the complex world of law, they are the warriors, armed with knowledge and strategy, ready to defend their clients' rights and seek justice. In the aftermath of a shooting, lawyers become indispensable guides through the labyrinthine legal system. They offer a beacon of hope and clarity in times of chaos, helping victims and the accused alike to understand their legal standing and the path forward. They are the strategists, the negotiators, and the voices of their clients in the courtroom. Their role extends beyond mere representation. They are advisors, confidants, and sometimes the last line of defense. Defense attorneys work tirelessly to protect the rights of the accused, ensuring a fair trial and challenging the prosecution's case. They delve deep into the details, leaving no stone unturned to build a robust defense. They scrutinize evidence, interview witnesses, and build a defense strategy tailored to the specific circumstances of the case. This meticulous preparation can make the difference between freedom and incarceration. Prosecutors, on the other hand, carry the burden of proof. They must not only present the facts, but also weave a compelling narrative that convinces the jury of the defendant's guilt. They must present compelling evidence to convince a jury that a crime was committed beyond a reasonable doubt. This involves a deep understanding of the law, the ability to present evidence clearly, and the skill to argue persuasively. Their role is to seek justice for the victim and hold the perpetrator accountable. They work closely with law enforcement, victims' families, and forensic experts to build a case that stands up in court. The legal battles surrounding gun violence are rarely straightforward. They are fraught with emotional testimonies, conflicting evidence, and the high stakes of potential life-altering consequences. They involve intricate legal arguments, complex forensic evidence, and passionate pleas from both sides. Each piece of evidence, each witness testimony can tip the scales of justice. Lawyers, with their specialized knowledge and advocacy skills, play a pivotal role in shaping the outcome of these cases. Their dedication, expertise, and relentless pursuit of justice ensure that the legal system functions as it should, providing a fair trial and upholding the rule of law. Whether defending the accused or prosecuting the guilty, lawyers are the linchpins of the legal process. Their work is not just about winning or losing, but about ensuring that justice is served and the truth is revealed. In the end, navigating the legal battlefield requires not just legal acumen, but also empathy, resilience, and a steadfast commitment to justice. Lawyers stand as the guardians of the legal system, guiding their clients through the complexities of the law and fighting for their rights every step of the way. The price of justice: financial stakes in gun cases. The financial implications of gun-related legal battles are often underestimated, yet they play a crucial role in the pursuit of justice. Justice, it is often said, doesn't come cheap. This adage holds particularly true in the realm of gun-related legal cases, where the financial stakes can be astronomical and the costs can quickly spiral out of control. This rings especially true in gun-related legal cases where the financial stakes can be astronomical. The complexity of these cases often requires extensive legal expertise and resources, making them some of the most expensive legal battles to fight. From legal fees to expert witness costs, the expenses can quickly mount, placing a heavy burden on individuals, families, and even the government. The financial strain can be overwhelming, often leading to significant debt and financial hardship. Defense attorneys, particularly those specializing in high-profile cases, command hefty fees. These legal professionals bring a wealth of experience and expertise, but their services come at a premium, often costing thousands of dollars per hour. Expert witnesses, such as forensic specialists, ballistics experts, and other technical professionals, are often essential in gun-related cases. Their testimony can be pivotal in determining the outcome of a case, but their services are not cheap. And medical professionals also come at a price. These experts provide critical insights and evidence that can make or break a case, but their fees can add up quickly, further increasing the financial burden on those involved. These costs can be prohibitive for many, highlighting the disparities in access to justice based on financial resources. Those with limited financial means may struggle to afford the necessary legal representation and expert testimony, putting them at a significant disadvantage. Civil lawsuits stemming from gun violence can result in substantial financial settlements or judgments. These cases often involve complex legal arguments and extensive evidence, leading to lengthy and costly legal battles.